This review is of House Food Single Serve Tofu Hot Pot Kit Mellow Miso with a kick of spice. You need soft tofu. Well, we didn't use a soft tofu, but it's included in the package. Soup base, non-GMO. Let's see, is there anything else? Okay, my son followed these instructions. And nutrition facts: 390 calories, 24 grams of fat, of which 2 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 820 milligrams of sodium, 25 grams of carbs, of which less than 1 is dietary fiber, 7 grams of sugar, of which 1 is added sugars, and 20 grams of protein. And then we're going to look at the ingredients, which are conveniently located right there. Alright, I think maltodextrin is not good because it can spike your blood sugar because it has a glycemic index that's like double that of sugar or sometimes triple. Great, looks good. Let's give it a try. Looks pretty good, right? I think so. And let's dive in. First, I'm going to get this. Kind of blah, really. No, he says he didn't overuse the water or veggies, so this is really boring. Yeah, I'm not impressed. I would suggest if you're going to make this, once you've cooked it, let it simmer so it boils down, so that the flavor is more concentrated. Because right now it's pretty it's not interesting at all. It's like almost like there's no spice in it. So at this point, I'll give it a 3. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.